Hello, you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Salah. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course, do make sure that you do share this video so because Koteni's ex-husband or soon-to-be ex-husband, I don't know, Umonde Shange finally opens up about his relationship with, of course, Ugogo's Koteni, you guys, and Ugogo Mercedes relationship. I'm sure by now we all remember when Ugogos Kuteni said that Mercedes wanted Umonde Shange, you guys, when she was invited to Gogos Kuteni's podcast. Allegedly, Mercedes then told Umonde Shange that she dreamt of him, and Amatlozi wants her to be in a relationship with Umunde Shange, you guys. And Gogo Skoteni has since been dragging Ugogo Mercedes to fourth on podcast and on her TikTok lives, you guys. And Mercedes has remained mum regarding that whole accusation and allegations against her. Well, Munde Shange finally opens up during this live last night, you guys, and he talks about what Gogo Mercedes meant, you guys. And Mondeshange says that nothing happened between him and Mercedes, though Mercedes was dragged to fourth for nothing. Mondeshange defends Mercedes and says that umntwana abantu wadregwa for nothing, and he admits that he did have some kind of feelings to Gogo Mercedes, but he never acted those feelings. He says that none of them acted on those feelings. He said quite a lot, you guys, so let me not waste your time but quickly insert this live, which of course I got from my fellow colleague Elientle. Shout out to you, Elientle, because I got this clip from you guys. Please do check this out, and of course engage your thoughts with me in the comments section down below. Subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you do share this video so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
So waphupha after a podcast the time to shoot or waphupha before?
It was after podcast. It was after podcast. If we both wanted something ukuthi yenzeke ngaleso sikhathi, there were so many chances ukuthi ngenzeke, but ayizange yenzeke. That's why ngifeel some kind of way ukuthi umntwana wadregwa ukuthi into engingazange yenzeke. Akunanto engingayenza nalo sister. Asikaze sayenzane. It's just that mhlambe kwakulento okuhalelana mhlambe ukuthi ngibharayike into ekayenzeka.
Both sides. Okay. That's fair enough.
Yeah, both sides. I don't want to lie because khona la bekunokufletha khona nyana, but akuzange yenzeke next.
So when you say both sides, why if it happened for both sides, when why the time so kuluma utupupiwe, but nikhonile ukufletha both sides, why wena ungayifakanga now? Because the time iphuma indaba it was more one-sided.
That's why ngidina lonto le, because yaphume ngathi yena bekafuna mina, ezangiphume ngathi we are both flirting.
Yes.
Into nale yankenya because yayenza umntana ngathi uye the beach or what. Azange ngiphume ngathi. And what I hate ukuthi don't make it ngathi wazitholele kubeni wena wezwa ngami. Wezwa ngami lonto after calling you cheat, and I was like, uyacheata angithi udomo Joe. If I had so many chances ukuthi I could cheat on you, but I didn't. Ngithi uyazi ban. But just because ngikumkhankaso nonke lo ebenikuwo, I didn't do it because bengibona ngathi ngizocekela igama lakho phansi. But when ukuthi wenza kanje, I'm so disappointed. That's how it came about ukuthi kuze ngimtshele.
Okay. So why you wanna clear it manje? Because this thing happened maybe 2 or 3 months back. Why you feel ukuthi it's time for you ukuthi uclear igama like a girl, but utrende maybe 3 months back?
Kinda.
like the time kuphuma indaba zamaphupho, it's not something that happened now. I think it's 2 or 3 months back.
Oh, it's because ngithe relationship and lo muntu yaziyo and people are saying uye. And I've seen most of the time ukuthi umntana abantu uzama ukupost or they gonna mention lo nto. I was like, man, let me just lo nto leyo ukuthi ayikho lo nto leyo guys. Ayikho, but yeah, ayikho lo nto leyo. And every time abantu think maybe a relationship yami or umshado whatever lebe kuyi iphele because ngitshithe noMercedes. I've never cheated with Mercedes. This yangazi ngathi Mercedes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Uqedile.
Grand wena.
Sesibashakazi. Ngithi bafuna ukuyeka. House business man, why uyekele if uyekile, why uyekile cause both are kahle.
Angiyeka. Yazi situfuza jo. Izinto zenzeke jo kanje especially this like uyakhumula ngicomplain ukuthi ugesi wathi so ba ugesi angisanawo endaweni yami and maceda kenzeka like yenzeke ngisejozi ne bangicimela ugesi la istock of esikhona efridge sa expire sonke ngaze ngiyazama ukuthi ngiconnect ugesi ayizange sipane so I'm starting afresh manje but by next week yini namhlanje Wednesday. Oh, by next week I'm back for to say business yaqala.
Same Harrismith.
Yeah, and kune possibility khona sister okhona like kumele ayenze indaba zami zase Soweto zenzeke, so I might be starting up and up. So we're starting good. We're nice this side, guys. Sikuma relationship amasha, sicala ama business kabusha. Like we're good this side.
Awunokuthatha ikhefu ukuthi
ngilithathile ikhefu like you used to fuza like I've been on the ground for like 3 months or nini guys. Ngiphuma ku dark place.
Okay.
Like, I'm from a dark.
The other question belokhu ipopha in, it was like the question is not personal, it's not from me, but it's something that begithi ngiyangena a question belokhu ingena kuma comments akho ukuthi every time ongathi uyapusha uyabuyela emuva, like it's not the first time they notice ongathi wenzani ongathi yaqhubeka like business yakho bosophopha kahle uyaba maqwaqo wenzeni yani then Japan that time business yakho ipusha kahle wabuyela
Nah guys, lapho ke maybe ingabuka kanjalo but sister ngaleso sikhathi sister saved me ngaleso sikhathi especially last year October. Your sister